Welcome, Your Excellency. This is the Nyali Affordable Housing Project. Summary, the master plan, 2,115 houses. And 15 houses. We have a level 4 hospital, we have a market, and we have a mixed urban development project. And yes, that is the Malindi Road. And that is the total number of units there. We have 2 schools. One is primary and one is junior secondary. We have been guided. We'll try to enhance this to full secondary school. It has got a clubhouse and it has got an ECD. So it's a holistic environment. In the hospital, 160 beds, out of which 7 are ICU. So everybody is catered for, 40 for the men, 40 for the women, and 40 for the children. So these are holistic, Your Excellency. This is the Voice of Kenya, so KBC. They are our hosts. We are on 23 acres, Your Excellency. These are how the units will look like. This is familiar to you. The mix of which you know, studio, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom at 1 million, 2 million, and 3 million. We are so glad. I know that now you are furnishing them and giving the furniture to the people. The aerial view of the development. Yes. So the idea is that as you go up, you create more open spaces. This is the level 4 hospital, Your Excellency. And that is the same hospital. That's how the market will look like, 1,000 stalls, Your Excellency. Yes. And we have even done a video of the project. I don't know if it's on or not, but you'll get a clip through. Apparently it's not on. Yeah.
Asante wananchi. Kwa sasa rais atapewa ziara fupi aweze kuona mijengo na kisha baada ya hapo atakuwa anasema na wananchi.
Hello, my dear. How are you? Where the fundi? Unaitwa nani? Hawa. Yeah. This is we have this what here for this one. Electrician?
Yes, electrician.
Ndio unaunganisha? Okay, so utafanya chasing hapo?
Chasing hapo tuboa, one way switch. Hiyo na hapa. Hapa.
Urembo hujambo? Unaitwa nani? Josephine. Wewe ni fundi? Electrician ama? Umesomea wapi? Caroline. Inaitwa nini? Polytechnic. So kuna kazi hapa. Hizi ndio kama umefanya mali. Umefanya mali kwingi? Asante sana. Pongezi. Haya.
welcome, welcome.
This one? Yes. Very good shot there, Karen. I want to show you, because you won't go outside.